What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quite a few requests to do Cardano ADA. So we're gonna go over the chart. Currently sitting at 41 cents, up 4.3 on the day. For ADA, market cap 14.21 billion, 24-hour volume 774 million. If you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up. No VPN required from our U.S. traders. Up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email. Access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. All links in the comments section. Let's hop into the charts. Let's actually zoom out. So there is potential of a bottom being in for ADA. We can count a 5-wave move. Wave 1 down, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Ending diagonal into a wave 5. So there is potential for a bottom being in. Now, of course, we can create a lower low and we'd have to do a little bit of a recount here. But if we zoom in and look at the smaller wave count, what I'm seeing here is potentially we have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To complete a larger wave 1, we've had a wave 2 pullback. Potentially could push up in a wave 3 here if this were to continue. I can give you a small wave count here. Wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Take your trend base of extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the wave 2. And you can see we met the 1.618, which is typical of a wave 3. Now, just be careful here because it's been pretty volatile. If I zoom in and you look at this candle, let me make sure this is the same on other charts. Let me zoom in. Might just be on Kraken. Yeah, let me zoom in here. This is Bitfinex. Okay, let me look. Yeah, this might just be a Kraken thing. But as you can see, the wave 4 has dropped rather deeply. That came down to the golden ratio, but it looks like it may not have done that on other exchanges here. So if the wave 4 breaks into this high and validates it, and potentially what you'd be looking at if we were to begin to roll over is that the wave 2 is just not complete yet, which would be perfectly fine. But if we do continue to push up, then you can take your trend based extension from the bottom of wave 1 all the way up to the top of the wave 1, which is here in yellow, to the bottom of the wave 2, and you target the 1.618 extension, which would take you all the way up to 60 cents for Cardano, and then put in a wave 4, wave 5. And once you complete that 5-wave move, then there can be a little bit more potential of a bottom being in potentially for the price of ADA. All right, guys, so in the short term, if we do continue to push up, then you would want to see this wave 3 high broken and push up in a wave 5, which could definitely take you back up to this point of resistance at 43 cents. However, if we do begin to roll over here and come down and break into that wave 1, then what I'd be looking at here is that just your wave 2 pullback isn't complete. And would you be looking at an ABC, potential ABC, or a WXY down into the wave 2 pullback zone? But if we can continue to push up, break this high, then you have that massive wave 3 target all the way here at 60 cents. Now, to simplify things, if we zoom out on the daily time frame for Cardano, we have started to break out of this falling wedge pattern. As you can see, we've pushed up, we've broken out. So a big bullish sign would, of course, to be a little bit of a cup and handle pattern here as well. A big bullish sign would to be get back above the EMAs and hold the bullish cross, and that would be a nice sign of a pump. As you can see, if I zoom out here, we have the bullish cross, nice pump right here, but we'll give another example right here. Bullish cross, huge pump to the upside. All the way down here, bullish cross, massive pump, right? So if we can see the bullish cross once again, break this down sloping trend line from the all-time high, definitely higher potential of a bottom being in. If we break that that trend line, we hold it as support, and you can see continuation to the upside. I have a feeling what's going to happen here if the bottom is in is that, you know, Bitcoin breaks out, but we just kind of chip chop sideways for a while, because I think a recession is coming in 2023, which will obviously damper the price movement, the bullish price movement of the market. But we'll see how it plays out here in the short term for Cardano. If we can get back above the EMAs and have the bullish cross, strong sign of strength here. But as of right now, we have broken this trend line of resistance. We have the point of control coming in about 44 cents. If we can get back above that, then we can retest this trend line. We break that trend line, it's a massive sign of strength, as we'll also be having the bullish cross. And the bearish scenario here, just a bit of a fake out. We double top and you know, we come back down into the pattern. But looking at the wave count, even if we do pull back, we've already made a wave 1 to the upside. So potentially if we pull back, we're still looking at a wave 2 and still good potential of seeing continuation up in a wave 3. So that's basically it for this little update. Make sure to sign up to BitGet. No VPN required for my US traders. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the 10 USD membership, you can get my trade signals as well as early access in my analysis. Currently in about 4 trades right now. All signals were dropped in the Discord. Sign up to the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.